Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper on a Tuesday, October the 17th, 2023. I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Tectonic, a.k.a. Jigsaw Sudoku, number 7290. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. But it's indicated with 4 stars. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Only see one single box. Always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here, the 1 and the 2. Do we have here triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Right now, insufficient information. Quadra boxes then. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? No quadra boxes at all. Well, my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions, whatever, you name it. For example, the T shape. Rotate it. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So, that box has the same number as this box. Alright, only one T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Yeah, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Okay. More of these kind of shapes? Nope. Only one. We have... Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, I believe the last shape. The L shape. Mirrored. This one. Let me draw this here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more L shapes. Here, another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. So 2 numbers left in this area. One numbers 3 and the 1. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 or a 4. But it's a triple box. So 4, it doesn't contain the number 4 in the triple box. So it should be a 2 is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Alright. Then these two boxes can be 5. Those two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. Then. Let me see. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be 2. That box should be a 1. Is connected with that box should be also a 1. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 2 here. Well, if I place the 2 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 here. Not the solution, place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes, surround 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here, is connected with that box, should be also 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then, yeah. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Should be there, 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here, 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Alright. And now, this box can be 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 2. Those two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. Then these two boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then. Let me think. Choo. Well, let me think. Think hard. Choo. It can be 2. Well, this box can be a 2. That box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 in this area Could be here, could be there. Well, we have another 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. These 3 boxes. So round 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Well, then. Let me see. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Wow. 1, 2. Not easy, not easy. 1, 2, 3, or 5. Come on. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3. That box should be a 1. And this box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 3, but also that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well, need a 4 here, okay. Let me think. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 here. 4, 5. Well, I need a 4 here. Come on. These 3 boxes. So 1 and 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Okay. This box can be a 5. So 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. And this box can also not be a 5 because we have a place of 5 here. This box is connected with that box, will be also 5. But we already have a 5 here, so not the solution place the 5 here. Only place left for the 5 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Yeah, so 3 and 4 is connected with that box. So 3 and 4. So well, here can be a 4 because we have a 4 here. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Interesting. 5, 5. Need a 3 here. Come on. Need a 3 here. Well. Need a 3 here. Interesting. Yeah. This box can be 1, and 1 could be here, could be there. 3. Well, this box can be a 3. We have a 3 there. But also that box can be a 3. If I place a 3 here, this box is connected with that box. So we also have 3. But we already have a 3 here. So here can be 3, there can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 digit left in this area for number 3. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area from the 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 3 there. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. That means that these 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this T-shaped area should be there. This, these 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this T-shaped area should be here. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area from this 3 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this area from this 1 and the 2. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. And I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. We go back to this area, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. Finish in 17 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow. Tomorrow, it's Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Tuesday.